Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cobourg local and long-distance movers near me. You can find and use a cheap Cobourg moving company for your local or long-distance move. 3 Movers offers the right options to make your move super easy. When you work with us, you don't have to worry about all that hard work that comes with a move. Our team has moved families, businesses, students, and veterans. Our long-distance moving service can become even more convenient with the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating isn't an easy task, especially when you're going 100 miles away or further. With our long-distance movers, you can easily relocate without all the hassle. Our team can save you time and energy. If you're ready to hire a Canada moving company, you need to find the best local movers. A local moving company will help ensure you save time and energy on any move. Even if you're just moving a few miles away, it can be a tall task. 3 Movers offers the right choices for your specific move. We know how to make sure you settle in sooner and with more energy. Our team will take your week-long move and get it done in just 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cobourg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.